the DIKW model to transform raw data into insights and decisions. In a world overflowing with data, the real challenge isn't access to such data. It's transformation of data into insights and these insights into strategic decisions. How do you go from messy rows in a spreadsheet to making confident strategic decisions? The answer is the DIKW pyramid, a mental model that shows how raw data evolves into decision-ready insight. It stands for data, information, knowledge, wisdom. Let's break this model down using a real-world business scenario. An email campaign falling flat. A marketing team rolls out a promotional email to a 50,000 person customer base. The goal? Drive traffic to their new product page. A week later, the click-through rate is lower than industry benchmarks. Leadership wants answers and a fix fast. Applying the DIKW pyramid to gain insights. Here's how you can apply this model to this business scenario for obtaining accurate insights that help you make informed decisions. Data. Here you gather raw click-through records from the email campaign. You have numbers, timestamps, device types, but no conclusions as yet. Information. Here you organize the data. Now you see that mobile users open the email more, but hardly anyone click the call to action button. Knowledge. Here, you analyze the information to gain more knowledge about the problem. Could it be that the CTA wasn't mobile optimized? You compare it with past campaigns and spot a pattern. Mobile users often drop off when the button is hard to tap or scroll to. Wisdom. Here's where many leaders go wrong, as you might too. You might say, we've seen this before. Let's just move the button to the top like last time. But past success doesn't equal future success. Your experience matters, so does the current context. Context might have changed. Users might now expect faster loading and more visual cues. This is where your true wisdom is tested. So, you can ask the team to set up an A/B test. Version A, CTA at the top. Version B, CTA at the bottom, but with better design. Check the test results to determine the best way forward. With this latest experience now in your arsenal, you can set out to resolve further problems that your organization might be facing. Here's a simple formula for wisdom. Wisdom equals to contextual decision backed by data plus experimentation.